Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what to be expecting on our gold for the day. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that, make sure you do it. So click on the subscribe button, guys. Like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's start. Let's understand what our gold will be giving us. This is our trend. Our trend on gold, overall trend is bearish. It is dropping. We are having a series of lower low and a lower high, right? If you have been following this channel consistently, I told you guys that the reason why we are having this bearish move is that there is a multiple rejection here. This was the first rejection and this was the second rejection. Market eventually dropped. So we will be expecting more drop. But for the next day, we want to see what market will give us, and that means we need to see what market is currently giving us. That means we need to go to our current trend. And as you can see on this our current trend, we are ranging. That should now take us to the 1 hour time frame. You can clearly see on the 1 hour time frame, market is ranging within this level. So this is our resistance. This is our support. So for day traders, wait for, or probably your support and resistance traders, wait for market to drop to tap this support level. Then you can now take the buy again to come to tap our resistance. So basically range, still range with this until market gives us a breakout. Once it gives us the breakout, I'll give you guys the updates on what next gold would likely